I'm Brownfield's Megan Grebner. With us this week is Jackie Moore again with Joplin Regional Stockyards in Missouri. Jackie, great to see you.
Good to see you all. Thanks for having me.
Thanks for coming back and joining us. Man, what a start to the week as you look at the board, and we're really starting to see some of this uncertainty, it seems like, carry over into what's going on in cash business.
Oh, yeah. They come out last Friday and said Tyson's closing their Lexington, Nebraska plant, kill 5,000 a day, and then put everybody in turmoil. So with the board's down the limit today, nine and a quarter. But I don't think that's a big deal. The fewest cattle we've had in 72 years, we got plenty of shackle space. We're going to kill them somewhere else. They've been hauling them from Nebraska to Texas to kill them anyway. And they're moving those cattle around a lot, and everybody's running half shifts and 4 days a week. So it's not a big deal. They closed that plant, but they just want to make a big deal out of it. It's kind of like everything else that's been going on with all the Argentine beef, the Brazilian beef, the Mexican border. And it's just, it's all a rumor, is all it is. And everybody wants to keep talking about it. But at the end of the day, nothing's even happened. But we break the feeder cattle board $80 a hundred in the last 30 days, which is a lot. $500 a head on we sell 8,600 cattle a day. That's pretty easy math there. $500 a head on 8,600 of them is a lot of money. So, our administration that we're so proud of, I'm starting not to be so proud of. I'm just going to be real honest with you. If you're going to do something, just open the border, get it over with. Let's go on, figure out where we're at. We can't operate in this environment that they got us playing in here because nothing happened. Box beef's higher than it was back when the cattle were at their high. And so it don't make any sense. It's just bullshit if y'all know the truth about it. I'm just going to be real honest with you.
Let's talk about what happened at Joplin today. And it's not just in Joplin. We've started to really see some pressure on cash prices. It doesn't matter where you are right now.
Right. Well, you ain't got any choice to, get those fat cattle. We're up there trading them at the board at 240. Now we're trading it at $2 or 210. And so, it's hard to buy one that'll break even there, let alone make any money. But, those feeder cattle today, they call them 10 to 20 lower. That's sure would be what it was. Even on the very front end cattle, we sold some 800-pound cattle last week for 360. Probably the best 800-pound cattle we sold today to bring 340 something. So we're $15-20 lower on the very front end of them. The lower end of them be the same, $15-20 lower on those cattle that come out of a grow yard somewhere, got some meat on them, just commodity type cattle that that the corporates all feed. But it's just this the way it is. They're still buying them and they still won't work. You can't be mad at them about trying to buy one to break even because they're buying them with $100 or $200 a head loss, just betting on the come like they always do. So everybody's doing business. The calf market, it'd sure be lower, but if you had the right kind, it'd be still selling pretty dang good because there's a lot of feed around. There's going to be a lot of wheat pasture. There's a lot of silage. There's a lot of things to feed those cattle. It's pretty cheap, so you can gain them pretty cheap. But I don't know if they're too high or not, but I guess we're going to find out.
I'm Megan Grebner for Brownfield.